Okay, so I look at this, I'm interested in something canceling out right away. And I look here at this first line, it has a plus y, 2y, and a minus 2y. And if I add those two lines together, they're going to cancel out, right? So I'm going to say x plus x is 2x, plus 2y plus minus 2y is 0, minus z plus minus 3z is minus 4z, 1 plus minus 9 is minus 8. So I just put these two lines together, okay? And that's what I get. And the happy thing is the y's canceled. So I'm down to two things I don't know, which is really nice. But I need another one like this, okay? And the way I'm going to get this is by multiplying this line by 2 so that I will develop another negative 2y. So let me multiply everything by 2, and I'll write it over here. So 2 times x is 4x. 2 times minus y is minus 2y. 2 times 2z is plus 4z. And don't forget, 2 times the other side is 18. Don't forget to say equals 18. And then I'm just going to copy this top line again. Okay, so I'm just going to say x, first line again, plus 2y, minus z is equal to 1, and I'm going to add those together. This is my second line, but I changed it by multiplying by 2. And my first line again. I'm going to put them together, because I know that these are going to cancel out, and that's what I really want. So I have 5x, and I have, they're going to find it out, minus 1 plus 4, I get plus 3z, is equal to 19. 1 plus 18 is 19. Okay. So now my goal is to get one of these other ones to cancel out. And I'm kind of looking at this 3z, and I'm looking at this minus 4z, and I think if I made them both 12 and they have different signs, they would cancel again, right? So to make the 3 into a 12, I'm going to multiply the whole thing by 4. So 4 times 5 is 20x. 4 times 3 is 12z. 4 times 19 is 76. To get the 12z here, I'm going to multiply everything by 3, and I'm going to write the answer down here. So 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times minus 4 is minus 12z. And 3 times minus 8 is minus 24. Okay? So when I put these two lines together, I get 26x. Just like I planned, my z's cancel, yay, is equal to, these are different signs, so they find it out, I get 52. At this point, I realize I want 1x, not 26, so I divide by 26, and I say x is equal to 2. Once you get the first thing, the rest of them fall pretty quickly. So x is equal to 2. Let me go over, I'm going to use this right here in the black. 2 times x is 4, right? Because x is 2. Minus 4z is equal to minus 8. I'll subtract 4 from both sides. And I'll get minus 4z is equal to minus 12. Divide by minus 4. It doesn't look like a 4, but there we go. Z is equal to 3. So that didn't take long for Z. And then finally, if you'll let me erase some of this, I'm going to fill in these. I'm going to fill in for this one right here. X was supposed to be 2. So I'm going to say 2. I don't know what y is, so I'm just going to say plus 2y. Minus z, I now know that z is 3, so I say 3, is equal to 1. So I just, for that first equation, I put in what I know for x and what I know for z, and I'm going to solve for y. So 2 take away 3 is minus 1, plus 2y is equal to 1. I'm going to add 1 to both sides, and I get 2y is equal to 2. So y must be equal to 1 when I divide both sides by 2. I should not skip steps. Y is equal to 1. Okay? So those are my three.